In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit notes and apply to invoices in Zoho Books. Let's start by getting into your account. Open your browser, search for Zoho, and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in the Zoho homepage, you'll see a list of apps. Choose Books to open your accounting dashboard. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the Apps page. Inside Zoho Books, look to the left sidebar. Navigate to Sales, then select Credit Notes. This section is where you'll create, track, and manage credits issued to customers for returns, overpayments, or adjustments. To create a new credit, click the plus New button. You'll land on a form. Start by entering the customer's name. Be sure it matches the customer on the invoice you plan to adjust, because credits can only be applied to invoices for the same customer. Next, set the credit note date. This is the accounting date the credit will affect your books. Then, add your item details. Include the products or services, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes or discounts. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be to reconcile later. If there's a memo or reason field available, it can be helpful to record why the credit is being issued for future reference. When you're done, choose how to save it. Select Save as Open if the credit should be available to use immediately. Choose Save as Draft if you still need approvals or plan to double-check the amounts later. Drafts don't affect balances until they're opened. Now, let's apply a credit note to an invoice. Once a credit note is in open status, it's ready to be used on any open invoice for that same customer. Head back to Sales, open Credit Notes, and pick the credit note you want to apply. Open it, then click Apply to Invoice. You'll see a list of the customer's open invoices. Decide how much of the credit you want to apply. You can apply the full amount to one invoice or split it across multiple invoices, as long as you don't exceed the credit's open balance or the invoice's outstanding amount. This is useful when you're clearing small residual balances. Double-check dates and amounts to ensure they align with your accounting period and internal policies. When everything looks right, click Save. Zoho Books will instantly update the invoice balance, and the credit note will show a reduced open balance. Any remaining credit stays available for future invoices until it's fully used. That's it. You've created a credit note and applied it to an invoice in Zoho Books.